Hello everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have a miniature marvel that pays homage to the classic British icon, the Hot Wheels Jaguar MK1. This diecast car is a tribute to a piece of automotive history. So let's dive into the detail and unbox it. First off, check out the details headlights and the Castrol logo on the side, which was the racing sponsorship of that time. The names on the side is Gordon Williams, Tony Williams, and the Grant Williams, not to the racing heritage. And don't miss the charming personal touch of the front license plate that reads Buy One. The racing number 12 is another nice detail that adds to the accuracy to the diecast car. I think the Hot Wheel version beautifully captures the MK1 essence. Comparing to side by side with the real car showcase how well the Hot Wheels has translated the original design into a miniature form. From the distinct chrome grille to the sleek lines of the body, this model truly honors the original charm. So let me know in the comments what you think about the MK1 as a vintage car. Do you like its design and appearance, or you're a fan of a classic car in general? Whatever your thoughts are, this car truly stays true to its history. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparison and reviews. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.